Hello and welcome to another Primavera P6 Excel lesson by Global Project Control. Here today we want to talk about how to add a percentage on the dashboard. When you create the dashboard with the help of the Primavera P6 database like this, then after you create the chart, all of your chart will be based on the man hours. So some of the times, instead of the man hours, we need to report the percentage. What's the calculation behind of this? As you see, if I go through the area over here and I filter it based on the building, you will see another percentage for the actual Q. Pump station, substation, you will see all the percentage and man hour will be changed. So how you should calculate the proper percentage based on these information? First of all, we need to look at the behind of this curve. If I remove the filter from here and I go to the select this curve, look at it, it is chart number 8, so I go to the tab number 8 here. Here we have the calculation table. But how does it works? It's very easy. Let me to recalculate it from the scratch. For the plan percentage and for the actual cumulative percentage, you need to use equal, then the current month divided to total of cumulative based on project labor unit. It is good idea if you change it to the percentage and add 1 or 2 decimal. For the actual, you need to do the same for the cumulative actual labor unit. From here, you should do this and then separate it to the total of the baseline project labor unit on the end of the project, and I use the same format for this. Now, if you want to add these two percentage to that curve, how you can do it? You should go to this sheet and then insert, for instance, a shape over here. This one for plan Q per percentage. I copy this, paste it again. I want to use it same for the actual. And here I need 2 more boxes. Let me to copy and paste it. Then if you select the edge of your boxes, then go in front of the function, insert equal, and then go to the sheet and assign it to this cell and press enter. You need to do the same for this one, actual. Now if I want to make it center, and this one also, I make it center, bold, a little bit bigger size. And now, because I need to add these four into each other to this chart, I should go to the group shape format, make it group. Then if you select all of them, you can go to the fill shape and make it no fill with no outline. Then if you want to move this to the chart over here, let me to add a yellow color to this in order to make it visible. And now if you filter out here, you will see this digit will be recalculate the progress percentage for actual and plan based on the usage of man-hour. This function works based on the get pivot data from your pivot table, and if you want to add it to the other chart also, you can add it to the other chart in order to show the percentage in your pivot chart. I hope this lesson was useful for you. Thank you for watching Global Project Control. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Please keep up to date on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for more lessons. You can also visit our website www.globalprojectcontrol.com to find all of our lessons and courses at once. Thank you for subscribing to the GPC YouTube channel.